Hey everybody, we are out here in front of the quail house because last night when I tucked everybody in, there were 4 white quail in here on a total count of 15. And this morning there's only 13. 2 of those white quail are missing, and there are a whole bunch of feathers on the ground back here. So what I've done is I've moved the tractor. Something dug right under there and grabbed themselves a quail snack. And I've reinforced it here and any other spots where prying raccoon fingers might be able to get into. I've made the quail a hidey hole here, even though, as you can see, we're not working with the best of weather conditions today. I'm gonna hope that they go in it tonight. I'm gonna have it... Somehow I'm going to crawl in here through this little opening and install it in the back here and have it so nothing can actually reach under here and grab my quail, I hope. If they go into this hidey hole thing here, that's some nice hay in it for them, and I'm hoping all 13 of them cram into it tonight and they don't spread out like they're currently doing. Because the quail that were against that back wall are no more right now, and this has got to stop. I do need to put some hardware cloth along the outside here, like that tractor over there has, but 2 of those 3 geese were out here last night, and turns out they really don't care about the quail. They only care about birds they're raised with, because they did not make a peep when something came over here and started digging for dinner last night. So, let's get this hidey box in here and see if we can't reinforce the rest of this with some wood and heavy stones or something temporarily until this weather clears up. I am getting freaking soaked out here right now. I'm not too thrilled about this whole thing. Getting intimate with the quail. I am now inside of here, somehow. Hi everybody, please don't run out the open door at the other end. That would be very, very not cool. We're gonna want to pick up and move these little eggs first. Oh, okay. Alright, that was my arm. My face is right there. Guys. Hello. Alright. Nobody freak out, please. Come on, it's just me. Oh shit. Excuse me. Okay, excuse me. Alright, now I want this attached so that when I move the tractor, this moves too. We don't want it right on the ground, because that might cause other issues. Yes, it might. Hey, nobody run out, okay? You guys be good and don't go out the door. Stay in... Ah, shit, one of them's already outside. Yeah, I better work quick then. Yeah, we made you guys a hidey hole. The whole idea is that you guys can go in here at night and cuddle and something can't reach right under here and grab you, I hope. So we're just gonna temporarily remove this nice clean building. I'm already checking things out, little quail. And if I wanted to make things easy for myself, I would have pre-drilled these holes like a smart human doing. Like a smart human, I would have pre-drilled the holes. And we'll get in here like this. And like this. Oops. And I'm gonna sort of get it right in here. So it's right there. A little bit off the ground. There we are. A little bit off the ground. There. And now this moves when the whole tractor moves. There we go. Might have given you too much hay. Yeah, I wish the roof were bigger, but I was using scrap wood here, and don't have a lot to work with in the rain at the moment. But there's a little hidey hole. Hopefully the quail will go in it. Oh, great. They're all running out of the quail tractor, so I gotta get out of here and close the door again. Oh, turn it around. Hey everybody, I'm coming towards you. Can you guys go behind me? Instead of out this open door, please. There we go. Go back that way and check your house out. Yeah, go check that out. I gotta get out this door somehow. Let's get the rest of you back in here. Oh, not again inside there. Oh, well. Back inside now, little quail. Little quail. Come on. Go that way. Go back in your tractor. Go back in your tractor. Well, back that way. There you go. There we go. Yeah, check that out. You guys like that? I don't know how you're all gonna fit in it at night, but hey, please try, because I don't want any more of you getting eaten.